Hi there, this is Evan Schmidt, Schmitty Racing Suspension. Just want to do a short video for a product that we get a lot of questions about. It's the high volume replacement end caps for Fox shocks. Fox shocks are kind of known. They all come with at least on the UTV shocks, come with a rubber pellet, self-healing rubber pellet system. A lot of the different models come from the factory with probably not quite adequate nitrogen pressure to really make the shock function like it should, and there's probably 10 to 15%, 20% of them where we see that these rubber pellets actually fail, and then the nitrogen pressure goes away, shock will begin to leak and cavitate, and all kinds of shock problems kind of come from that. So we designed a high volume replacement end cap. Increases the nitrogen capacity of the shock. It also comes with a mechanical sealing Schrader, so it's much easier to charge the shock, service the shock, and it's a mechanical seal versus a self-healing rubber pellet. So you can reuse that Schrader valve hundreds of times without ever leaking out. So a lot of questions that we get pretty much every day, multiple times a day, is what is the difference between the standard metal cap and the Fox O-ring cap? Very simple. They both are going to be the replacement cap, but the difference is the cap on the Schrader valve. This is the standard metal cap, which is basically just going to function, seal the Schrader. This is is the Fox O-ring cap, and it actually is a part from Fox. It has an O-ring on the outside, hence the name Fox O-ring cap, but it actually seals the entire pocket where the Schrader valve is sitting in. So it keeps it free from dirt, grease, or sand, from out in the riding, and it's a much cleaner application, but it does cost a few bucks more. So that is the difference literally between the two, and this being a Gen 2 cap, which in another video we're actually going to show this being installed in this Gen 2 shock off of the new Dynamax 1000 turbo shock from Polaris.